So hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to increase volume in Waze app on a device. As we know that Waze app is a navigation app that provides real-time traffic updates, faster routes, turn-by-turn direction, alerts for hazards, speed traps and road conditions. So to know how to increase volume on Waze app, you need to simply watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So first thing, you need to open your app and you need to access settings, which is at the very top left. From here you can also view your profile and you need to click on the settings options, and after that you can see the options voice and sound. You need to simply click on that. You can adjust your app volume. So we also need to ensure that our volume button of our device is also high, and here you can see the options in sounds off, alerts only or on. We need to click on the option on so that it will activate your voice, and also here is the option guidance volume, in how much range you want your volume to be. So I'm doing it in maximum volume, and that's how you can test the volume. And now you can start a route and listen to a voice prompt to confirm the volume is loud enough. So this is how you can increase your volume in this app, and now your Waze app volume should be increased. And that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon of our channel. See you. Thank you and see you in the next video.